Phrasal verbs are one of the most important parts of spoken English, but they can also be one of the most confusing. A single verb can take on completely different meanings just by adding a small word like up, out, off, or in. In this lesson, we'll break down 80 phrasal verbs starting with the letter A using clear definitions and practical examples that you can start using right away. Bookmark this lesson, review it regularly, and get ready to take your English to the next level.
Act out.
To perform or express something through actions.
The children acted out the story. Act up.
To behave badly.
The children always act up during the holidays. Add up.
To make sense, to seem logical.
His story just doesn't add up. Add up to.
To total, to result in.
The costs add up to over $1,000. Agree with.
To suit someone's health or taste.
Spicy food doesn't agree with me. Aim at.
To direct something towards a goal or target.
The campaign is aimed at young people. Allow for.
To take something into account when planning.
You should allow for delays when traveling. Angle for.
To try to get something in an indirect way.
He was angling for an invitation to the party. Answer back.
To reply rudely.
Don't answer back to your teacher. Ask after.
To ask about someone's well-being.
She asked after your health. Ask around.
To ask several people the same question.
I'll ask around and see if anyone knows. Ask out.
To invite someone on a date.
He finally asked her out for dinner. Auction off.
To sell something at an auction.
They auctioned off the old furniture. Back away.
To move backwards away from something.
The dog made him back away in fear.
Back down.
To admit you were wrong or give up a position.
His critics forced him to back down. Back off.
To retreat or stop being aggressive.
The press agreed to back off. Back out.
To withdraw from an agreement.
He backed out of the deal at the last minute. Back up.
To move backwards, also to support someone.
The bus had to back up and turn round. Bail out.
To rescue someone from a difficult situation.
The government bailed out the failing bank. Balance out.
To become equal or even.
The gains and losses balance out over time. Bank on.
To rely on something happening.
Don't bank on getting a refund. Bargain for.
To expect something to happen.
We got more than we bargained for. Ball out.
To scold someone loudly.
The coach bawled out the players after the loss. Bear up.
To remain strong during a difficult time.
She's bearing up well after the accident.
Bear with.
To be patient with someone.
Please bear with me while I find the file. Beat up.
To attack someone physically.
He was beaten up outside the bar. Bed down.
To settle somewhere for the night.
They bedded down in the barn for the night. Black out.
To lose consciousness, also to darken a place.
She blacked out from the heat. Blast off.
When a rocket launches.
The rocket blasted off at dawn. Bleed out.
To lose a large amount of blood.
The wound was serious and he began to bleed out. Blend in.
To look similar to your surroundings.
He tried to blend in with the crowd. Block off.
To close a road or path.
Police blocked off the street after the accident. Block out.
To prevent light, sound, or thoughts from entering.
Heavy curtains block out the morning light. Blot out.
To hide or obscure something completely.
The clouds blotted out the sun. Blow away.
To impress someone greatly.
Her performance blew away the judges. Blow down.
To be knocked down by the wind.
The old tree was blown down in the storm. Blow off.
To dismiss or ignore something.
He blew off the meeting entirely. Blow out.
To extinguish a flame.
She blew out the candles on her cake. Blow over.
When trouble or a storm ends.
The scandal will blow over eventually. Blow up.
To explode, also to lose your temper.
The bomb blew up the building. Board up.
To cover a building with boards for protection.
They boarded up the windows before the hurricane. Boil down to.
To be the essential point of something.
It all boils down to trust. Boil over.
When a liquid overflows from boiling, also anger escalates.
The milk boiled over on the stove. Bolt down.
To eat quickly.
He bolted down his breakfast and left. Book in.
To register at a hotel.
We booked in at the front desk. Boot up.
To start a computer.
It takes a minute for my laptop to boot up. Bottle up.
To suppress your emotions.
He always bottles up his feelings. Bounce back.
To recover quickly from a setback.
She bounced back after losing her job. Bow out.
To withdraw from something gracefully.
He bowed out of the race for mayor. Box in.
To trap someone with no way out.
The other cars boxed him in on the highway. Brace for.
To prepare for something difficult.
The city is bracing for the storm. Branch out.
To expand into a new area.
The company is branching out into software. Break away.
To escape or separate from something.
She broke away from her family's expectations. Break down.
To stop working, also to lose emotional control.
The car broke down on the highway. Break in.
To enter a building illegally, also to interrupt.
Thieves broke in through the back door. Break into.
To enter forcefully or illegally.
Someone broke into our garage last night. Break off.
To stop suddenly, to end a relationship.
They broke off their engagement. Break out.
To escape, also for something to start suddenly.
A fire broke out in the kitchen. Break through.
To succeed after overcoming an obstacle.
The team finally broke through with a win. Break up.
To end a relationship, also to disperse.
They broke up after 5 years together. Break with.
To end an association with someone or something.
He broke with tradition. Breeze through.
To complete something easily.
She breezed through the exam. Bring about.
To cause something to happen.
The new law brought about major changes. Bring along.
To take someone or something with you.
Feel free to bring along a friend. Bring around.
To persuade someone to agree.
We finally brought him around to our plan. Bring back.
To return something, to reintroduce.
Please bring back the book tomorrow. Bring down.
To cause to fall, to reduce.
The scandal brought down the government. Bring forward.
To move an event to an earlier time.
We brought the meeting forward to Monday. Bring in.
To introduce or earn something.
The business brings in a good income. Bring off.
To succeed in doing something difficult.
They managed to bring off a great performance. Bring on.
To cause something usually unpleasant.
Stress can bring on headaches. Bring out.
To release a product, highlight a quality.
They brought out a new phone model. Bring round.
To persuade someone, to help regain consciousness.
It took a while to bring her round. Bring up.
To raise a topic, to raise a child.
Can you bring up that issue at the meeting? Brush aside.
To ignore or dismiss something.
He brushed aside our concerns. Brush off.
To dismiss someone rudely.
She brushed off his apology. Brush up.
To improve a skill you already have.
I need to brush up on my French. Buckle down.
To start working hard.
It's time to buckle down and study. Buckle up.
To fasten a seatbelt.
Don't forget to buckle up. Build in.
To include as an essential part.
The plan builds in extra time for delays.